How to fix Facebook Lite unsupported version problem on Android phone. First, just open this one here, Play Store, and then type here Facebook Lite, and now click this one here, the first one, and that's it. Now just click update here and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem and you can't update your app here, just go to Google Chrome here, and that's it. Now just download just download any app here from Google Play, from your browser, and that's it. Download the latest version, and that's it. Your problem will be fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.